Hi guys, it's Martie here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to be covering how to reset WordPress to the default settings using a free plugin called WordPress Reset. So there are going to be times where we want to reset our WordPress site back to its original settings. And for this video, I'm going to be resetting this example site I created for the tutorial, and I just installed a free theme, added a few pages and posts, and assigned a simple menu. So to reset our WordPress site, we just need to install a plugin, and to do this we can visit our dashboard, hover over where it says plugins on the left, and then click add new. Now we just need to type the words WordPress Reset into the search bar in the top right. And then we're going to install and activate this plugin by Martie. Once the plugin's been activated, we just need to hover our mouse over where it says Tools in the bottom left and then click Reset. So just a quick warning, make sure you definitely want to reset your WordPress site before you do this, because once it's done, you can't undo it. But if we definitely want to reset our WordPress site, we just need to type the word reset into this box and then click the reset button underneath. It's going to come up with a warning that says this action is not reversible, and all we need to do is click OK. It only takes a few seconds, and once the plugins reset our site, we're going to be logged out, and we just need to log back in again. Now if we visit our site, we'll see that all of our content has been deleted and WordPress has been reset back to the default settings. So that's how to reset WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this one published every week. Once again, my name's Martie from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.